Yo, what's up guys? My name is Steven and this is your Sweat Squad. Let's go to the intro. So yes guys, sa araw na to pag-uusapan natin ang kinakatakutan ng mga atleta, knee pain. So ano po ba ang dapat gawin pagka masakit ang iyong tuhod? Now, marami pong rason kung bakit masakit ang ating tuhod. Number 1, bad running form. Pwedeng mali ang ating running form, overstriding or heel striking. Make sure na you're on the middle side ng paa mo. Make sure na yun ang unang tumatapak sa lapag, not the heel. But just in case na talagang sobrang hirap para sa'yo na palitan ng form, maghanap ka ng shoes na malaki ang stack height sa likod at malambot ang cushion para smooth ang transition, less stress sa knees natin. Isa pa, stiff na hip or glutes, mahinang hamstring, mahinang ankle, mahinang calves, anything. Now, most of the time pagka may problema ang ating knees, hindi knees ang may problem, yung muscle around it, yung tissues around it ang may problem po, kasi nahihila siya. Pwedeng isa rin pong rason ng overloading, meaning hindi pa sanay ang muscles natin sa training volume or training stress na nilalagay natin sa legs natin, pero pinupush natin, kaya unti-unting na i-injury tayo. And may possibility rin po na we might be obese or overweight for the running, masyado pong maaga. So kung matagal ka or you have no experience sa running, take it slow, take it short, don't push it. So I can still remember I was training for my very first Spartan race, and 2 months before, bigla na lang pumitik left na knee ko. So gumagapang ako pa uwi, halos sobrang sakit. So I thought it was the knees, pero hindi po pala, it was my hip. Sobrang stiff po ng hip ko. I didn't focus on it. Hindi rin po ako nag-weight training to strengthen the muscles around my knees. Since then, I focus on mobility, hip mobility. I focus on strengthening my hamstrings, my calves, my glutes, ankles. Since then, 2 years na po ang lumipas. Hindi po ako nagka-injury until the day before yesterday. Nag-aayos ako ng car, nag-aayos ako ng brake. So obviously mababa yung car, so squat ako na squat. So sa kakaupo, tayo ko, naging stiff yung tuhod ko. So alam mo yung sisipa ka sa ere, tapos pagsipa ko, napalakas, may snap na nangyari sa left knee ko, tapos sobrang sakit. Buti na lang tapos na yung workout ko that day, and it was my last workout for that week, which is Friday, kasi na Sabado may family outing kami, and Linggo is talagang planned rest day, planned na siya. Sakto, I got 2 days to recover. I got 2 days of no running or anything. So anong dapat gawin pagka nagkaroon ng sakit sa knees? And the next thing you have to do is do the RICE, R-I-C-E, kanin, RICE. Rest, icing, compression, and elevation. So when to stop exercising pagka sumakit ang iyong knees? Obviously right away. You have to stop right away. don't even try to run with it kasi baka mas lalo pang lumala at ilang months or weeks kang hindi makakatakbo, hindi ka makaka-training, which is ayaw natin. Trust me, even 1 week na hindi ka mag-exercise or training, it won't affect your fitness. So anong ginawa ko? First things first, of course, meron inflammation. Niyelo ko siya, ice treating for since that Friday night, Saturday and Sunday, hanggang sa mawala yung sakit. Next is compression. And yung compression, you can, kung meron ka nung tape para sa mga pilay na tape, you can use it to compress. And last, it's elevate. At least 10 to 30 minutes before you sleep, you can elevate your legs above your heart. So after rise, anong pwede mong gawin? That is to assert or hanapin kung anong rason bakit sumakit ang iyong tuhod. It can be your lack of hip mobility, weak glutes, weak hamstring, quads, lack of ankle mobility, weak calves. Marami pong reasons. So isa-isa, you can do some mobility training twice a week. Even once is beneficial. Now Steve, kailan ako pwedeng tumakbo ulit? Well, to be honest, I don't know. But in my case, in my history, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a physician, okay? I'm not a physiotherapist. But in my case, in my history, kung kaya kong umakyat baba ng hagdan na walang issues, I will do some light runs. Actually yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. It's my first time to run since pumitik yung tuhod ko. And today is just a light run. Zone 2 lang, nothing fancy. Of course, before ako tumakbo ngayon, sinubukan ko muna yung bodyweight squats. Wala namang pain. And sinubukan ko rin umakyat baba ng hagdanan. No problem at all. Wala na rin yung pain, to be honest, subside na siya. Ngayon, I'm 9 kilometers in to running easy. Wala namang masakit. So, it's a good sign. So, totoo kang runner kung may nakita kang runner na kasalubong tapos bibilisan mo konti. So, kailan ba bawal itakbo yung may knee pain? Lahat ng kabaliktaran na sinabi ko kung kailan pwede. So, pwede ba akong tumakbo ng may knee pain? The answer is yes and no. Yes kapag bearable yung pain and you're not about to do some high intensity stuffs, and kahit nag light run ka, ayos lang, hindi masyadong masakit or what, you can just decrease your weekly mileage, even the intensity. Or the best thing is go for a bike ride. Now minsan din, pagka nasa taper week ka, taper, pag sinabing taper is you back down all the volume kasi malapit na ang race mo. Usually sa mga days na yun, within that week, magkakaroon ng konting sakit or parang something, but huwag ka matakot, it's natural. It's nothing to think about, and just bang on sa race day. So yes, 9 kilometers in sa aking slow run, easy run. Tinetesting ko isa-isa kung wala ba talaga sakit sa knees. And right now, final testing mode, tinetest ko na siya with some strides. Now, pag sinabing strides, 100 meters burst na sprint yun, 9 out of 10 na sprint, like katulad ng gagawin ko ngayon in 3, 2, 1. Kailangan mo buksan yung legs mo. Kaya siya tinawag na strides. There you go. Always refreshing. Now, kung sobrang sakit talaga, You don't have to push yourself. Be easy on yourself. You're doing so much hard training. Go to the doctor, pa-check ka, kasi mas magandang ma-solve agad ito kaysa naman hindi natin makuha yung mga goals natin. And injuries, yes, it's part of the journey, and injuries are not bad as long as we learn from them. So yes, injuries are part of the game. They will knock us down, but it's not how we fall, it's how we stand up and conquer our goals. So don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and comment. I-comment nyo sa baba kung ano yung mga karanasan nyo when it comes to knee pain. Tumakbo ka ba kahit meron kang knee pain or hindi? Nagpa-check ka ba o hindi? Paano mo pinagaling? Let's have a conversation. So yes, perfect timing. Nagsisimula na pong umulan. Stay safe sa mga takbo nyo. Run for fun. Don't be too hard to yourself. Stay hard. Peace.